Kinakabahan talaga ako. Hey all, it's your overthinker Belle here, Francine, and welcome to my vlog. Okay, kagigising ko lang. Literal. It's already 9:11 a.m. and may pasok kasi ako, 10:45, and hopefully matapos siya before ng oras ng ticket selling. So, as you all probably know, I'm Army, Blink, and Karat. So, multitasker. Charot. My main are BTS. Yes, but today I will be Karat. I'm a Karat. And, oh my gosh, hindi nga ako makapagsalita ng maayos. Kasi, kinakabahan ako. Today is November 13, 2024, and ticket selling for Karat membership. So, nakabahan ako. Kahit hindi ako yung magsisecure ng ticket ko. Hindi ako yung magsisecure ng ticket ko kasi I actually have internet mods or friend. Basta may kausap ako, nakisabay lang ako sa Karat membership niya. And, siya yung magsisecure ng ticket for me. So, kumbaga, sa buntes, cesarean ako. Pero, kahit pala, kinakabahan na ako. What more kung siya pa, diba? So, hopefully, makasecure kami. Oh my gosh. Guys, eto na. Oh my gosh. Nasa class ako ngayon. Pero, eto na. Magsa-start na mamayang 12. Hindi ako mag-queuing. Kasi wala naman akong membership. So, tinignan ko lang siya and nagta-timer na. Oh my gosh, wait. Kinakabahan ako. Focus. Oh my gosh. So, ayun. Hindi ako nakasecure noong Wednesday. Tapos ngayon, wala akong UB Bank. Tapos, ang inaasahan ko is tomorrow. So, baka mag-camping ako with my friend. And, oh my gosh, I can't believe na magka-camping ako. Kasi, girl, hindi ako camper. Like, yes, nag-camping ako nung UP, nung PUP, alam niyo naman yan. Pero, talaga ba? Magka-camping ka? Pero yun, oh my gosh, busungkuan. Singi bangi bumubanggi. Saka giri-giri. Kung ano ritual na yung ginagawa ko para lang makasecure. Diyos ko, gen ad lang to ha. Ang bilis kasi makasecure sa VIP. Tapos yung iba, ang taas kasi ng QN namin before. So, di kami nakasecure. Gaslighter ng Center 2. As much as I'm trying to stay composed and calm, I can't. Ang daming tumatakbo sa utak ko and oh my gosh, totoo pala yung nakaka-drain after kang makasecure ng ticket. Yes, I finally did secure a ticket. But it's not our prior day. And oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I am planning to trade it. Pero super draining kasi maghanap ng ka-trade. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you a little bit of story of how we secured our tickets. So yeah, after namin magplano na magka-camp kami. Actually, hindi ko alam kung magka-camp pa ako noon or hindi. Pinlano ko lang talaga na mag-camp nung kahapon. Yeah, akala mo naman ang layo ng difference. Kahapon. And today is Friday, November 15. So, pinlano namin na mag-camp kasi nga, ang tataas ng queuing sa online. And, yeah, we went to SM San Mateo. Then, nag-camp kami doon. And, yeah, sobrang hirap ng pinagdaanan namin. It's not easy. Kasi sa lapag kami talaga natulog and there's a lot of things na nangyari. And it's such a first time experience for me. It's not my first time to camp though kasi alam niyo naman yan, nag-camp ako sa PUP just to secure my slot. But yeah, it's really different when you're securing a ticket from 17 kasi parehas lang ng time ng online sa over the counter. Kaya nga lang, ang pinagkaiba is mapiprint agad yung ticket. Unlike sa online is that yun. Basta, there's a lot of difference and I'm glad na we're able to secure our tickets. After 12 hours of staying inside the SM and sleeping there, sobrang hirap guys. And finally, I'm able to see 17. Hindi pa rin siya nagsisink in sa akin kasi I'm trying to stay wag madaldal. But hindi siya talaga nagsisink in sa akin. Natulog na ako guys. And nakasecure kami ng ticket. Parang 12:58 nakasecure na kami. And ang start ng ticket selling is 12. So, yeah, I'm really glad that we are able to secure. But day 1 kasi siya. And ang prior namin is day 2 talaga. So I really don't know how are we going to accept our fate or are we going to trade this. Pero sana ma-trade namin siya. So, makahinga na ako ng maluwag. It was really a experience kasi parang 9 dapat nandun ka na. And traffic sa San Mateo pag gabi. So, 8:40 traffic pa rin sa San Mateo. Hindi, naka-beep lang kasi ako nung una. Hindi gumagalaw. So, nag-move it ako and sinabi ko dun kay kuya, kudos sa'yo talaga kuya. Sabi ko, paliparin mo siya kuya, please. Parang awa mo na. Kailangan 9, nandun na ako. Kasi 9, before 9, nagbibigay na sila ng official queuing. Pero nung pagdating ko, unofficial na yung nakarating sa akin. Kinabukasan ako nabigyan ng official queuing. Tapos, yes, from until 9 hanggang 12, nasa labas kami ng cinema, nakapila kami doon. Tapos, I think mga 1, pinalabas kami. Nandun na kami sa parking. May mga chairs doon. Kanya-kanyang latag sa lapag. And doon kami natulog. Tapos, 7, lumipat na ulit kami sa labas ng cinema. Pumila kami doon until 12. Lahat kami nag-queuing din sa online. Pero nga, yung queuing ko umabot ng oh my gosh, 150 plus ata. Kahit na, it's really random ha, pag online. Kaya 150 plus thousand yun. Pero we were able to secure our ticket over the counter ng 12:58 something or before 12:58 pa. So yeah, that's a whole crazy experience, but I think it's worth it. It is worth it. I forgot to do the outro. So see you in 17 concert. I'll just update you there if sa vlog na yun. I'm surely going to vlog, but not the whole thing kasi I'm just gonna enjoy my first K-pop concert. And yeah, I'm just gonna update you guys there kung na-trade ko ba yung ticket ko. But hopefully, praying, manifesting na ma-trade ko siya. And this is not definitely the last vlog for this year because I also got AOTD, so mag-unboxing tayo next vlog. Bye! I'm finally seeing 17, pero hindi. Oh my gosh! You won't understand how I feel.